Hey Britt, what's up? What would happen if I put a fork in the microwave? Hypothetically. It can't go in the microwave, it'll explode. Why are you asking this to me? No reason at all. Riley will have. How did a fork even end up in the microwave in the first place? No, I think I dropped it when I was cooking in the. Did I tell you not to cook in the microwave? I'm hungry. I couldn't help it. Okay, for what? You can't eat. You're my imagination. Oh, oops. Never mind. We need a new one anyway. That's why you don't put metal in the microwave. Not even Pop-Tart wrappers.